seeing my new Lego room. It's pretty small, but that's okay. So yeah, it's a little room in my basement. So yeah, it's got a, like, kind of small, but that's okay, as I said. So yeah, so here's just a map, and here's like a little thing. There's just something in here for some, a couple stuff in here for some reason. Some random stuff. Here's some other pieces. Blue. Here's black. Here's gray. So yeah. And here's my Pixamock. It's the Lego set. Some pieces are in this head, so I'm going to have to use those. And under here, we have some pieces. Like, there's some stuff, more stuff back there. It's under my Lego City platform, so it's pretty small. It's not really much stuff in here, but that's okay. Because soon it's going to be, like, epic. Because soon we're going to probably, like, put the Lego posters around here. And on here we're probably just going to put, like, a Lego something. Oh, Lego room sign. So yeah, it's going to be the mock. Another mock, as I said. And there's one light. This goes on, off. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and like. Peace out. See you in another video too. So yeah, rate, comment, subscribe, and like. Peace out.